In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add burned-in captions to a 1080 by 1920 vertical video in Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll start by setting up the project for vertical viewing. Make sure your sequence is set to 1080 by 1920, which is a 9:16 aspect ratio, perfect for phones. If your current timeline isn't vertical, open your sequence settings and switch the frame size to 1080 horizontal and 1920 vertical. Keep the frame rate consistent with your footage so playback remains smooth. Once that's set, your program monitor should display a tall vertical canvas. Next, open the text panel to generate your transcript. If you don't see it, you can reveal it from the window menu, then choose Text. Inside the text panel, click Create Transcription. Premiere will analyze the audio and automatically produce a transcript. Choose the correct language and make sure it uses the right audio track if you have multiple sources. When it's done, you'll see the spoken words time aligned with your timeline, which sets you up for captions. With the transcript ready, click Create Captions. Premiere converts the transcript into caption items that line up with your sequence. You can adjust things like maximum characters per line and gap between captions if needed. Don't worry if the line breaks aren't perfect. We can refine the look and spacing as we style them. Now let's style the captions using the Essential Graphics panel. Select one of the captions in the timeline, then open Essential Graphics. Choose a clean, legible font, set your size, and pick a color that contrasts well with your video. For reliable readability, enable a background behind the text and reduce its opacity so it's present but not distracting. You can also use a subtle shadow or stroke if you prefer, but a semi-opaque background is often the most consistent across different footage. Apply your styling to all captions so they stay consistent throughout the video. Position the captions inside the safe area, turn on safe margins in the program monitor if you need a guide, and place the text above the bottom edge so it doesn't collide with on-screen elements or get cut off by platform overlays. Keep the captions centered or aligned consistently so your audience's eyes know where to look. Finally, export your vertical video with the captions burned in. Open the export window, choose a vertical preset or set the dimensions to 1080 by 1920, and under Captions, select the option to burn captions into the video. Check the preview to confirm placement and styling, then export. You now have a vertical video with clean, readable captions embedded and ready.